Hello there. We are going to take a look at the demo of Admin Ahead's Linux Malware Detect Manager, in short, version 2 LMD Manager for Plesk. We have logged into Plesk 17.8 interface. On the left sidebar, click on Extensions. Under the Extensions catalog, you will find a number of choices of Plesk extensions. Here you can search and find the Admin Ahead LMD Manager extension. As the name suggests, LMD is a malware scanner for Linux environments to extract malware that is actively being used in attacks and generate signatures for detection. The second version of Admin Ahead LMD Manager is an improvement over the first version. Here we have revamped the extension to include support of Plesk version 17.8, and the GUI has a more user-friendly design. So from the extensions catalog, you can install the LMD Manager by vendor Admin Ahead Server Technologies. Enter your license key that you've received from Admin Ahead to proceed with the installation. Now that the extension is installed, let's go deeper into the extension. What you see on the screen now is the home page for the extension. Here you will be able to see the option to install LMD in case it's not installed yet on your Plesk server. Once you click the installation tab, the LMD installation will be completed in a matter of seconds. As we move on to the GUI, towards the top of the screen, there are 4 tabs displayed: Scan Now, Monitoring, Reports, and Settings. Now let's go through the Settings tab. Let's go through the Settings tab. Here is where you configure the extension. Under Ignore Options, you can enter the directories and file extensions that you want to exempt from the scan. For example, you can specify directories such as user local maldit or user local sbin maldit and click on Save Settings so that these directories are not scanned. Files with extensions such as .pl or .sh or .bin, which are not normally harmful nor are used for malware, need not be scanned, and exempting them from scans can save time and server resources. So you can specify such files here and click on Save Settings. Under the Configurations tab, you can find Automatic Quarantine. This feature automatically quarantines threats on detection. It is advisable to keep this feature on because automating the malware cleaning process would save you time and resources and save the server from harmful malware being present for a long time on the server. Automatic Clean. If this feature is activated, the threats detected will be cleaned without your intervention, and the files will be restored to the original path, owner, and permission. Unofficial Signatures. This is used to update the signatures in the ClamAV database. If ClamAV is present on the server, LMD uses ClamAV engine by default. This helps identify more malware definitions that cannot be identified by LMD alone. Scan root owned files. This feature is to be activated if you want files under the ownership of root to be scanned. This is a new and a very useful feature that was not present in the earlier version of LMD Manager by Admin Ahead. Email address. Email address to which notifications are to be sent can be specified here. LMD Manager sends you notifications whenever an infection is detected. If you do not want to receive email notifications, you can leave this field blank. Now click on Save Settings button once you're done. Scan Now. On this page, you can either scan all root user accounts or you can select specific paths you wish to scan. For example, you can specify the /temp /var www hosts and click on the scan button. The time taken for the scan to complete will depend on how large the files are. The most recent scan result will be displayed on this same page. Monitoring. Here you can set the monitoring interval in seconds. This corresponds to the time after any file is modified or uploaded newly to the path to be scanned. You can select either users to be monitored or you can set custom paths. For example, /temp or /www hosts can be monitored. Click on Save once done. Reports. On this tab, the scan reports are displayed. The latest report can be seen on top. The date on which the scan was carried out, the scan ID, and the action taken is displayed. You can search for any specific scan report by entering the scan ID or action in the search box. If you have disabled the automatic quarantine option in the settings, an option to quarantine the suspicious files identified by a new scan will be shown here. Once the files are quarantined, you can also restore a specific file from the quarantined list of files. So that's all about the second version of LMD Manager extension for Plesk by Admin Server Technologies. Enjoy our plugin and let us know your feedback at support@adminahead.com. Bye.